Today, we're making chocolate Rice Krispies. Yum. Welcome back to Tamera's Kitchen, where you guys follow me along. Wow, I'm just trying to say this with correct English. You guys follow me along my journey of being a mom who can cook to a mom who can cook. And I want to explain that just a little bit more. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be a mom, right? And when you go over to, that's correct English, when you go over to your friend's house, there's always, that mom who just seems so cool, who's fun, and who can cook. You guys, I've secretly wanted to be that mom for years, and I feel like my children are now at that age where now we're having sleepovers, and I just want their friends to be very happy and know that they're gonna have a good time and a nice full tummy when they come over to the Housley's house. So today we're gonna be doing Rice Crisps. I've done this once before. What I love about this treat is if you don't have time to bake, this is perfect. So this is a oven-free dessert with Rice Krispies. Who doesn't love Rice Krispies? Do you guys like when you pour milk into Rice Krispies and they actually, you feel like they're talking to you? I think it's the snap, crackle, pop. Have y'all heard of that commercial? Snap, crackle, pop, talking just to you. These are the ingredients that you'll need. 3 cups of Rice Krispies, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. My thing is I always have the chocolate chips when I'm baking, usually them, whatever. Don't judge me. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So I'd like to think this is a healthier treat because we have dark chocolate chips in this one. All right, this is so easy, you guys. All we have to do is just melt these 4 ingredients right here. Then we're going to fold these ingredients into the Rice Krispies and then put it, in a little Tupperware. You can use an 8x8 or whatever you want. That's the coolest thing. This is Tamera's Kitchen. Do whatever you want. And put it in the refrigerator for an hour. So let's do this. Let's melt some chocolate chips first, okay? Pew. So I think what I'm gonna do first is, and remember you guys, we're learning together. I am not trying to pretend like I'm this perfect chef, because I'm not. I'm just a mom who can cook and also a mom who fails. So here, we're not gonna judge. You can laugh with me, just don't laugh at me. And then we'll be cool. But if you wanna laugh at me and just press that subscribe button, that's cool too, I don't care. So I think I'm using my daughter's spatula. How cute, she's learning how to bake along with me. Ooh, look at the way that melted really quickly. Okay, let's put some chocolate chips in here. Wow, that is melting really fast. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn this down, but it's melting way faster than I thought. So, but this is a great thing. We're not gonna burn this though. No, we're not. So right now I have my heat on medium. Oh, no, it's talking. Let's turn that down. Okay. Whew. Yeah, we don't want that to burn. All right. So the chocolate is pretty much melted, so I just turned my heat down because I don't want to burn my chocolate. Stirring in my peanut butter. And I think you can use any butter, Nowadays, there's so many different types of butters. Wow, you guys, look at that. It's perfect. I'm gonna turn the heat off because the heat was on. If you guys know that song, we're old. Look at that. It's perfect. See? Beautiful. This is really heavy. So what I'm gonna do is I set that down. I'm gonna pour it in. We wanna make sure that you move, swiftly, because you don't want the chocolate to get hard, I don't also want to break my wrist. I need to do more wrist-like exercises. All right. Now we're gonna fold in our Rice Krispies. And you have to be gentle because the Rice Krispies, they're delicate. Are they talking? No. Okay. Oh, wow, this is lovely. And the thing about this dessert, I've seen lots of people do this. You can use anything. Meaning you can add in sprinkles. You can do whatever you want. The good news about this too, there's peanut butter in it, but Aiden's not gonna know that. And he loves chocolate. I hope this is gonna look better when it's refrigerated. But here we go. Now that I've mixed our Rice Krispies, I just want to, let's taste this. Mmm. That is going to be amazing. Using lots of spatulas here. Fold our treats into this dish right here. And then we're just going to, refrigerate it. I think we should cut it in, tiny squares for their tiny little hands. Oh, shoot. I forgot the parchment paper. Dang it. I hope I don't mess up the little Krispies. Oh, yes. Okay, so it's still okay. All right. I did not damage any of the Krispies. Okay. Okay. Let me wash this. I'll be back. There we go. Oh, well, the weight of it, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay, well, here goes nothing. Let's see. Ooh, I need to hurry up. Yep, it's already, who said to use parchment paper on this recipe? Once I get a little bit more confident, then I will know, what I can get away with. This just doesn't look as good as it tastes. Okay. I think we're good. I am just going to cut. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my. That is so good. I will say though, melted chocolate is not fun to clean. It's just not. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this. It just looks a little uneven. Okay. I bet you it's gonna taste absolutely amazing. All right, let's put it in the refrigerator now. It's been an hour. Quickest hour ever. All right, so here we go. Wow. That's cool. Okay, I'm just gonna plop her upside down. And then you can just... Oh, that was so easy. They are so freaking cute. And I want to make them like cute little kid sizes. Right? Oh my gosh, the kids are going to absolutely... You know what? There's just something about baking. Baking and making drinks. I don't know what that says about me. Baking and making drinks. There you go, you guys. Look at that. How should I stack these? Look how freaking cute these are. You guys, they turned out so freaking cute. And I want to show you kind of like just the size, the sides of them, because you can see they're just here. I'll just lift one for you. They're just adorable. And they look so much better than when we put them in. Let's try this. Let's hear the crunch. Are you ready for it? These may look basic, but they don't taste basic. This is freaking bomb, and it's easy. Your kids will love you. Their friends will love you. And I love you. You're welcome. Excuse me while I eat. All right, I have to leave. That is amazing. Wow.